Experiencing trouble seeing your Starlink Wi-Fi network name? You're not alone. Approximately 15 to 20% of new Starlink users report initial SSID visibility issues, especially during setup or after updates. First, let's understand what an SSID is. SSID stands for Service Set Identifier. It's simply the name of your Wi-Fi network that appears on your devices when you're looking for networks to connect to. When your Starlink SSID isn't showing up, there are 4 main reasons this typically happens. Let's examine each one. The first reason is that broadcasting might be disabled, meaning your network is set to hidden mode. Second, there could be a hardware malfunction with your router or dish. Third, you might have frequency band problems where your device can't see the 5 GHz band. Finally, your system might simply need a power cycle to refresh the broadcasting. Now let's start with the simplest and most effective solution: power cycling your entire Starlink system. This resolves the issue for about 67% of users. Here's the complete power cycling process. First, unplug your Starlink dish power supply and wait 30 seconds. If you have a separate router, unplug that too. Then wait a full 2 minutes. Next, reconnect the dish power first and wait for a solid white light, which takes 5 to 10 minutes. Then reconnect the router power and wait an additional 3 to 5 minutes for the SSID to broadcast. If power cycling doesn't work, the next step is a factory reset of your router. This has a 78% success rate for SSID visibility issues. The process depends on which generation of Starlink router you have. For Generation 1 and 2 routers, you'll need to locate the physical reset button on the back of the device. For Generation 3 routers, the process is much simpler. You can use the Starlink mobile app to initiate a factory reset directly from the settings menu. Factory reset has a 78% success rate, but remember that this will clear your Wi-Fi network name, password, and other custom settings. You'll need to set these up again after the reset. These initial troubleshooting steps, power cycling and factory reset, resolve SSID visibility issues for the majority of Starlink users. When combined, they have a 94% success rate. If these steps don't work for you, advanced troubleshooting methods may be needed. When basic troubleshooting fails to restore your Starlink SSID, advanced configuration through the Starlink app becomes essential. The first step is ensuring your network broadcast settings are properly configured. For persistent connectivity issues, manually separating your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks can provide significant improvements. This creates distinct network names for each frequency band, which is especially helpful for older devices. Channel optimization is crucial in areas with many competing Wi-Fi networks. Using a Wi-Fi Analyzer app helps identify the least congested channels, and manually setting your Starlink to use channels 1, 6, or 11 on the 2.4 GHz band can dramatically improve performance. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Proper router placement in a central, well-ventilated location is essential. Always use official Starlink power adapters and complete your initial setup during favorable weather conditions to ensure optimal performance. Regular maintenance prevents most SSID issues before they occur. Implement a monthly power cycling routine during off-peak hours and perform quarterly firmware update checks. These simple practices can prevent the majority of connectivity problems. The good news is that Starlink hardware continues to improve with each generation. The latest Generation 3 dishes and routers feature enhanced Wi-Fi 6E capabilities, providing much more stable SSID broadcasting. Industry experts report that SSID-related issues have decreased significantly with newer hardware, and this trend is expected to continue.